In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a TradeLocker demo account. So this can be a bit tricky because you can't actually do it on here on the website, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeLocker.com and you want to go to Start Trading. Now over here you can click prop firms or brokers because you will first need to find a prop firm or broker you can connect with and create an account with so you can actually start using your account and start using TradeLocker. So I'm gonna go to brokers over here. I'm gonna click start now. And then over here, it's going to show you all the brokers you can choose from. So as you can see, there's a bunch of them. And of course, you can select whichever one you want. Now, of course, you want to do your own research before you pick one. But for me, I have an account over here at Blue Markets. I'm just going to show you how to do it with that. So whenever you decide which one you want to use, you can just click on the one you want. For me, it's going to be Blue Markets. And then once you do this, it's going to direct you over here to their website where you can then get started. Now, this exact same thing is going to happen for whichever one you pick over here. So it doesn't matter which one you pick, you're going to get to their website where you're going to have to either sign in or create an account. So I'm signed in with my Blue Markets account over here. And as you can see, I can go to my accounts on the left. And then here it's going to say select account type, so I can create it, and I'm going to do a Blue Markets TradeLocker demo because of course I want the TradeLocker demo account. You can then select your currency, you can select leverage, and then you can select your balance as well over here. After you do this, click on create account. And then as you can see, it's going to start loading for a second. And there we go. It says access details have been sent to your email address. So what this means is, of course, if you want to go and start trading with your demo account inside this TradeLocker, you'll have to first gain access by going to your email. So to actually access this, you want to go on trading platforms up top here and click on TradeLocker demo. So click on this. And then as you can see, you're going to go get directed to the website, which is demo.tradelocker.com. And in here, it's going to ask for your email, it's going to ask for your password and for your server. So what you're going to want to do is, of course, you want to go to your Gmail or whatever email you are using to sign in to the broker over here. So if it's Blue Markets, of course, use that one. But if it's a different one, it doesn't matter. And then to your email, you will get everything. You'll get the email, you'll get the account number. So I just have it here on my second monitor. Of course, I'm not going to show you the password, but of course, I have it over here. So the password, I'm just going to copy it. There we go. And I'm going to paste it in here like this. Okay. And then it says the server. And for me, it says Blue Demo. And after that's done, you can click login over here. And as you can see, everything is going to start popping up. You're going to get the new updates on your screen. And right now we are signed in to the demo of TradeLocker using Blue Markets demo account over here. Again, you can use whichever broker or prop firm you want, but this is kind of the process via which you have to go if you want to create a demo account on TradeLocker. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.